students. Today our topic is harmful effects of drugs on sports person. Harmful, causing or likely to cause them. Effects, consequences of an action or other cause of relationship between a part and a whole is called of drugs. A drug is any substance that causes change in an organism, physiological and psychological, when consumed, is called drugs. On action, sports person, a person who takes part in sports is called sports person. The use of drugs for enhancing performance has been cursed to sports. Use of drugs means drugs misuse is used to distinguish improper enhancing performance. Sports persons use drugs to increase their performance in games and sports. Curse to sports mean misfortunes of specific sports teams, players, etc. Since most of the drugs have dangerous effect, but still athletes are using them. Since for the reasons most greatest in amount, drugs have dangerous effects means a pattern of psychoactive substance use that is causing damage to health. The damage may be physical and mental is called drugs have dangerous effects. What still means so you never have. Athletes, a person who takes part in competitive track and field events is called athletes, or using them means to certain persons. Some of the drugs have been explained below. Some unspecified number. Drugs. A drug is a chemical substance which is given in order to treat or prevent an illness is called drugs. Have been explained means it has been used for a person. Explained, give a reason so as to justify. Below means under. Caffeine. Caffeine is a natural stimulant most commonly found in tea, coffee, and cocoa plants. It works by stimulating the brain and central nervous system, helping you stay alert and prevent onset of tiredness is called caffeine. It is well known as one of the active drugs in coffee and tea. Well known means generally known. One of the active drugs in coffee and tea. Caffeine is a stimulant, which means it speeds up the message traveling between the brain and the body is called one of the active drugs in coffee and tea. Small doses of pure compound stimulate the brain. Small amount of pure stimulate the brains mean caffeine prevents dopamine from getting reabsorbed into your system, leaving the feel good chemical hanging around in your brain longer is called small doses of pure compound stimulate the brain, giving a quickening of the thought and lessening of the feelings of fatigue and drowsiness. Giving a quickening of thought means to think carefully about something. Lessening of feelings. Caffeine's withdrawal causes headache, fatigue, sleepiness, and difficulty in concentrating. Fatigue. Caffeine leads a to higher rating of alertness and overall mood and lower mental fatigue. Caffeine itself does not cause a drowsiness. In the athlete context, means a person who is trained or skilled in a exercise, sports or games requiring physical strength, agility, etc. There might be some advantage to man performing warring. There might be, to say something, possibility. Some advantage to man's means caffeine reduce the risk of liver damage, liver protections, and lowering risk of premature death. Performing boring of repetitive work such as distance cycling, what the increase of excitation would have an adverse effect on most of the competitors in skilled events. Performing boring by repetitive work, a moderate to high dose of caffeine reported feeling less bored after performing repetitive work. Work as distance cycling, means caffeine is a commonly used by endurance athlete 30 to 60 minutes before races to enhance competitive performance. To increase of excitations, means doses of caffeine enhance intracellular release and directly impact the excitations, would have non-occurring actions, an adverse effect on most competitors in skilled events. Adverse effect: caffeine cause insomnia, nervousness and restlessness, stomach irritations, vomiting, increased heart rate and respirations. These are adversely effect on most competitors is skilled events. Almost greatest in quantity, competitors taking part in contest. Skilled events, the ability to perform at a high standard effectively and efficiently is called skilled events. Due to this reason, caffeine was banned by International Olympic Committee. Due to this reason, meeting special requirement, caffeine was banned by International Olympic Committee. Today, Olympic athletes are permitted to enjoy a cup of coffee before competing. What between 1984 to 2004, the World Anti-Doping Agency, in short form WADA, banned high concentration of caffeine from all Olympic events. Cocaine. Cocaine, an addictive drug derived from a cocoa or prepared synthetically, used as an illegal stimulant and sometimes medicinally as a local and an aesthetic, is called cocaine. This drug is a powerful stimulant of the brain. Cocaine is addictive due to its effect on the reward pathway in the brain, and if given as an intravenous injection, it can produce a ascetic sensation of both physical and mental power. It given as a intravenous injections mean increasing the odd addiction and overdose. Injecting cocaine can lead to chest pain and hallucinations. It can produce to offer view or notice escalating sensations mean overpowering emotion, intense feeling. Both physical and mental power means feeling of great physical strength and mental capacity. Temporary disappearance of feeling of fatigue and hunger. not permanent of emotional state or reactions. Fatigue, someone to feel exhausted. Hunger, having a strong desire of food. A number of earlier long distance athletes, means long distance cyclists, to use drugs like cocaine to reduce the fatigue and mental tension. Particularly cyclists are believed to have taken cocaine in the hopes of postponing fatigues and increasing endurance. Or believed mean accept that is true. To have taken cocaine, most of the athletes accepted to consume cocaine to reduce the fatigue and mental tension in the hopes of postponing fatigue and in increasing endurance. In the hopes mean expecting, wishing for, postponing of fatigue, put off fatigue, extreme tiredness from mental or physical exertions, increasing endurance. Endurance is the ability of an organism to exert itself and remain active for a long period of time is called endurance. Growth hormones. Growth hormones helps children grow taller, increases muscle mass and decreases body fat is called growth hormones. Growth hormones are usually animal hormones used for increasing the muscle mass, height and size of the body. Usually under normal conditions, animal hormones are chemical secreted by the endocrine glands which are carried by the blood to the respective organs to regulate certain physiological process. Used for increasing the muscle mass, mean increase strength and stimulate muscle growth, length of the body and muscle mass. These are generally used by bodybuilders, throwers, jumpers and basketball players extra. Used by generally means normally. These are for that reasons generally normally used by bodybuilders. These hormones helps to build muscle mass, boost metabolism and burn fat. Throwers, a person who throws something. Jumpers, the person taking part in jumping events. Basketball players, an athlete who plays basketball. Growth hormones affect adversely, leading to unbalanced height. Growth hormones affect adversely means growth hormones has many other effects on the body, increase calcium retention and strengthens and increase the mineralizations of bone, increase muscle mass is called growth hormones affect adversely, leading to unbalanced height means may be defected. Growth hormones most commonly as a result of tumor in that person's pituitary gland. It causes an irreversible overgrowth of bones, particularly those of the face and hands and feet, may lead to a lot of overweight. Growth hormones causes obesity. Diuretic also called water piles or medications designed to increase the amount of water and salt expelled from the body as urine is called diuretic. Diuretic drugs eliminate fluid from the body. Diuretic drugs means a diuretic is an substance that promotes the increased production of urine. Eliminate fluid from the body means diuretic are used to rid the body of extra fluid or salt. People with high blood pressure, heart failure, swollen tissues and kidney disease often use diuretic to treat these conditions. The person reduces body weight in very short period means diuretic do not help in weight loss. What can temporarily decrease someone weight on the scale as they are losing water. Diuretic are generally used by wrestler, judo and boxing players because wrestler, judo and boxing players transiently reduce body weight for the competitions. These drugs increase urine secretions. Diuretic is work Diuretic work by removing sodium and chloride from the body in the urine, and the sodium and chloride in the urine draw excess water from the body is called drugs increase urine secretions. Diuretic reduce the natural appetite. Common side effects may include diarrhea, constipation, loss of appetites, numbness, headache, dizziness, etc. May lead to malnutrition, undernutrition, body fainting, etc. May lead to guide on a way. Malnutrition means refer to deficiency, excesses, or imbalance in a person intake of an energy and nutrients. Nutrition, the process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth, is called nutrition. Body fainting extra is sudden and temporary loss of consciousness. This is usually occur due to lack of oxygen reaching the brain is called body fainting. Aspartic acid salt. Aspartic acid salt helps every cell in the body work. It plays a role in hormone productions and release normal nervous system functions. Aspartic acids salts have been used in the treatment of fatigue. Means aspartic acid is a commonly used to reduce feeling of tiredness, improve athletic performance and increase the size and strength of the muscles. The major reason for their use involves the ability of the urea cycle to remove ammonia from the blood. The major reasons means the main cause for their use used by the persons involves the ability of the urea cycle means the urea cycle is the primary biochemical pathways in humans by which excess nitrogen is disposed is called involves the ability of urea cycle to remove ammonia from the blood means it can also be used to form a chemical compound called urea. Your bloodstream moves the urea to your kidneys where it is eliminated in your urine. It is generally known that blood ammonia levels are raised following physical exertions. It is generally known that means it is commonly knowledge or it is common knowledge. Blood ammonia levels are raised following physical exertions means physical exercise increased plasma levels of ammonia. What it is not known whether this rise primarily reflects accelerated formation in muscles or decreased removal by the liver, and that increased blood ammonia in one of the cause for the fatigue. That increased blood ammonia means high ammonia levels in the blood can lead to serious health problems, brain damage, coma, and even death. The cause for fatigue. Drugs or a lack of regular exercise can lead to feeling of fatigue. To remove the fatigue, aspartic acid salts are as used by different players. To remove the fatigue means sleep well, cut out, or caffeines. Aspartic acid salts are used by different players. Means aspartic acid is commonly used by players to reduce feelings of tiredness, improve athletic performance, and increase the size and strength of muscles. Anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids means a synthetic steroid hormone which reassembles testosterone in promoting the growth of muscles, acts upon the central nervous system. Means steroids affect the brain, serotonin and dopamine neurotransmitters systems. It is generally believed that 70% or more athletes are using these drugs. According to survey conducted by BODA, 38% of athletes used for the counter substance using performance enhancing drugs to get competitive edge over the opponent occurs at virtually every level of competitions. Legally, this can also be purchased with the written prescriptions of a physician and generally sold in drug stores under variety of trade names in tablets forms. Legally, this can only be purchased with the written prescriptions of a physician, mean with the consultations of a doctor. If he prescribed drugs, then you can legally purchased from the market. Generally sold drugs store under variety of trade names in tablet forms, means commonly a pharmacy which also sells prescribed drugs under variety of trade names in tablets forms. That means many